So I've just had to wait 2 hours to get into my first delivery of the week because apparently there was a football game last night. Hello everybody, thank you for joining me. It is with great sadness I have to bring you some bad news. Yes, I am recording another vlog. I'm on my way to Portsmouth. It's got an hour drive, not too far, but let's get cracking. So I'm just leaving my second delivery of the day and making my way around to my next collection, which is in Gosport, and called the boss to confirm that this stuff's supposed to be going up to the delivery address today. And he says, no, it's for delivery tomorrow. I'm like, brilliant. I've been panicking all day because of the delay this morning that I'm not going to get both these deliveries done this afternoon, and they're actually to be done first thing tomorrow morning. So yeah, I think it's time to go a little bit slower and take my time a bit more. So after much waiting around at that collection, because the collection wasn't quite ready when I got there, despite the fact that I'm 2.5 hours behind for the day, yeah, they haven't put on the truck the amount of pallets that we were expecting. So yeah, more phone calls to the office, and then they've called the customer, and the customer has said, yeah, that's fine, no problem, just take what they've got. So I've only got 9 pallets on board, so rather than go and deliver them, I'm going back to the yard and then they're going to go on another truck for tomorrow. So that means I haven't got to go into London, which is nice. What it does mean now is I don't know where I'm going tomorrow. It could still all change and I go to London for doing something else. Just have to wait and see later. So here we are again, Tuesday, and more issues. So I get down to the yard in Southampton, and the container trailer that I needed wasn't there just yet. He was on his way in with the other driver who does the nights, no problem. So I sit and wait for it. He goes to drop the trailer, and then the truck wouldn't start. It's the same one that had the issue last week, so obviously the fix that was done didn't actually fix it. So yeah, we've had to wait for someone to come out and repair that so we can get the truck from underneath the trailer so I can connect to that trailer that I need for the day. Yeah, so a little bit behind. It's only 20 to 8. This first delivery that I'm doing before I go into London isn't a timed delivery, but it's just delaying me going to London even more. So it means I'm going to be hitting London at a busier time. Okay, so I've brought the trailer back up to the yard, the container trailer that is, and done the swap over with that. I now need to take my truck to have one of its tyres checked to see whether it can be repaired or whether it needs to be replaced, because I've noticed a little hole in it. Unfortunately, the place where we unload has got like the container seals, and I think one of them's gone into the tyre. So yeah, hopefully it's a nice quick fix. If not, being new tyres. So I'm finally on my way towards London. SatNav wanted me to go in on the M4, but I've not done that. I've come around the M25 and I'm going to go in from the other side, say in towards the Woolwich area. Once I've done that delivery, hopefully I'll make it to the one after that tonight, which is in Harlow, before going round to the timber yard at Southend. So yeah, hopefully I get all of that done and I make it there tonight. Got plenty of driving time and all of that stuff, plenty of working time. It's just whether traffic allows me to get in and get these deliveries done, and then how much waiting around I need to do. It is only 9 pallets in total, 3 for the first delivery, and of course then 6 for the next. So yeah, it shouldn't take too long to unload. It just, as I say, depends on whether they've got a loading space free when I get there. So yeah, let's get cracking on round towards whatever junction it is it's going to take me off to get me in towards London. taking the M25 after my delivery in Charlton, in London, and I'm making my way now towards Harlow, which is quite lucky really, because when I arrived at the delivery site, the guy said to me, all our goods in with the team went home at 1:30. I got there at 3 o'clock, so yeah, a little bit after their goods in with team's finished. So I called the boss and told him what was going on. They've made some phone calls, and long and short of it, nice man called Lee came out from the office and unloaded me. So I'm guessing no one there has a forklift license after 1:30. So he's come out of the office and kindly unloaded me, which was nice. Yeah, as I say, on my way around to Harlow, and we could be in the same situation around here, but we shall see. We won't know until I get there. Apparently this is a bigger warehouse than the last one, but it is for the same people. So as I said, could be in the same situation. Might not be able to get this one off tonight. Might need to find somewhere to park around Harlow last minute, but I'm hoping not. I'm hoping not. So yeah, just about to go through the tunnel, so I'll speak to you guys on the other side. I made it to my delivery site last night, and they didn't want to unload me there either. Luckily the warehouse staff decided, yeah, they would do it. It was the management that didn't want them to do it, but hey ho, they didn't have to worry about it. It was done, 6 pallets off, and yeah, managed to make it then to the timber yard last night. About 7:30 is when I finished, and yeah, loaded this morning. Now on my way round towards Swindon. It's about a 4.5 hour drive, so I will be needing a break on the way, so I'm probably going to stop around Newbury. Cheveley Services probably is where I will stop, and yeah, not sure what I'm doing after that. We shall have to wait and see, like always. It's broke. So we've spoken to DAF and they're saying just let it cool down and see what happens with it. I say it's just running a bit hot. If it does it again by the time I get to the services, which is just a mile or 2 up the road, then pull in there and they will get someone out to have a look at it. But they think it's just the fact that it's now got 28 tons of concrete mix on the back of it, and yeah, it's a little bit heavy up the hill, so fingers crossed that's what it is. Okay guys, I am back on the road. I've been driving for a few miles now. The temperature seems to be controlling itself, so hopefully it was just having a hissy fit as we were going up the hill, as I say, fully freighted. Yeah, could have done without that delay, but we're okay now, fingers crossed, as long as we just make it up this hill. We'll just have to see what happens. Quick update for you. Temperature gauge is fine at the minute. Engine management light is now out. Doesn't mean that the problem's fixed, it just means that the bulb could have broken. But I am now crawling along the A34 at about 10 miles an hour, and I don't know why. So I was going to carry on down the A34 to the 303 to go to Andover, but I don't think I will now. I think I will turn off and go down one of the back roads. There's not many hills down there anyway, so it's not going to overheat the engine. So because of the truck getting a little bit hot yesterday, I also didn't make that delivery time last night. So that's been rearranged for today, but later on this afternoon. So I've brought that trailer down to Southampton this morning, connected to a container trailer, and now I've got to go and deliver that. Wait whilst they live unload that, meaning I've got to wait there while they take the stuff off the back. Now it could be one thing or it could be 5,000 things. I don't know what's inside it. It's going to a storage place, so there's no real clue either. So yeah, I won't know how long I'm going to be until I get there and they open it up and they tell me. So yeah, not sure what time I'm going to be delivering this first trailer, the Curtsider, this afternoon, but that's booked in for 1 o'clock in Portsmouth. So I've got to get an hour up the road delivered, an hour back, and then an hour drive over to Portsmouth from Southampton as well. Yeah, to make that time. So yeah, if I make it, I make it. If I don't, there's not a lot I can do about it. So the container's now empty. I'm now making my way back towards the docks to get the empty container taken off and a different one put back on. Just got to wait for a VBS booking. So yeah, I'm going to take my time to get back. Now, I'm no expert, but I'm pretty sure there should be more air in that one. Right, I've just got to drive back to the yard and then I am done for the day and I am done for the week. Hopefully you enjoyed the vlog. Hopefully next week doesn't have so many issues with it, but you never know. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff, and I shall speak to you guys in the next one.